If your kitchen still feels slow, messy, or outdated, the problem isn't you, it's your tools. These are not random gadgets. These are smart upgrades that save time, space, and effort every single day. Stick around because the last one is a dessert lover's dream. This is your place for smart Amazon finds, so hit subscribe and let's upgrade your kitchen. Teak Dish Drainer Rack. Wet dishes taking over your counter is frustrating. This collapsible teak dish rack gives you 2 drying levels without hogging space. It folds when not in use and holds plates, bowls, cups, and cutting boards neatly. Natural teak resists moisture and looks clean instead of plastic. You dry more at once, keep counters calm, and upgrade your kitchen's look with simple, smart organization. Deep fryer pot. Deep frying at home usually means oil splatter and uneven cooking. This Japanese-style Carolyn fryer pot fixes that with built-in temperature control, so your food cooks perfectly every time. The stainless steel body heats evenly while the lid reduces mess. A drip rack lets excess oil drain back into the pot. From fries to chicken, you get crisp results without the chaos, making home frying cleaner, safer, and way more satisfying. Rolling egg organizer. Egg cartons waste space and make your fridge messy fast. This auto-rolling egg organizer keeps everything lined up and ready. Load eggs from the top and each one rolls forward when you grab one. No digging, no cracking, no wasted space. It fits neatly on fridge shelves and keeps eggs visible and protected. Once you use this, your fridge instantly feels smarter and more organized. Heated lunchbox. Cold lunches ruin your workday fast. This cordless electric lunchbox reheats meals anywhere using its built-in battery. Just press a button and your food warms automatically. It holds generous portions and comes with an insulated carry bag for travel. No microwaves, no lines, no soggy meals. From office desks to car brakes, you get hot, fresh food whenever you're hungry. Clear glass simmer pot. Most pots hide your food while it cooks. This clear glass simmer pot lets you watch soups, noodles, and milk without lifting the lid. Heat-resistant glass handles stovetop use safely and evenly. You avoid boilovers, burning, and guessing. The large capacity is perfect for family meals. Cooking becomes cleaner, calmer, and more precise when you can actually see what's happening inside. Turkey roasting pan. Big meals need serious cookware. This heavy-duty roasting pan handles turkeys up to 24 pounds with ease. The raised rack lets heat circulate for juicy meat and crispy skin. Wide handles make lifting safe and stable. The non-stick coating means cleanup doesn't become a second job. Whether it's holidays or meal prep, this pan turns large cooking into stress-free, professional results. Rotary cheese grater. Hand grating cheese is slow and messy. This rotary grater speeds everything up with a simple turn handle. Drop in cheese, chocolate, or nuts, and get perfect shreds in seconds. The comfortable grip keeps your hands safe from blades while the drum pops out for easy cleaning. From pizza nights to desserts, you save time and effort with smoother, faster prep. Glass teapot with infuser. Tea should feel relaxing, not complicated. This clear glass teapot brews loose leaf or blooming tea with a removable infuser for clean flavor. It's stovetop safe, so you heat and brew in one place. Watching the tea open adds style while preventing oversteeping. From mornings to guests, it turns simple tea into a calm, elegant daily ritual. Electric dough maker. Kneading dough by hand is tiring and inconsistent. This electric dough maker does the hard work for you with micro-timed mixing and fermenting. Add ingredients, choose your mode, and let it knead perfectly every time. The stainless bowl handles large batches for bread, pizza, or buns. You get bakery-level dough without sweat, guesswork, or messy countertops. Automatic trash can. Touching trash lids spreads germs fast. This slim automatic bin opens with a wave using a waterproof motion sensor. No hands, no smudges, no odors trapped inside. It fits bathrooms, kitchens, and offices without taking space. The quiet lid and modern design keep your room clean and hygienic. Once you go touchless, normal trash cans feel outdated. Oil filter pot. Throwing away cooking oil is wasteful and messy. This oil filter pot strains and stores grease safely for reuse. The built-in basket catches crumbs while the stainless body keeps oil fresh. Use it for bacon grease, frying oil, or camping meals. You save money, reduce waste, and keep your kitchen cleaner instead of dumping oil down the sink. Electric egg maker. Boiling eggs on the stove wastes time and attention. This smart egg cooker handles soft, medium, hard, and even onsen-style eggs automatically. Add water, press start, and it shuts off with an alarm when done. No watching pots, no cracked shells, no guessing. Breakfast, meal prep, and snacks become fast, consistent, and stress-free every single morning. Silicone Muffin Pan Set. Metal pans stick and ruin baked treats. These silicone muffin molds release cupcakes and egg bites cleanly every time. No oil, no tearing, no scrubbing. They're flexible, BPA-free, and oven-safe for sweet or savory baking. From breakfast bites to desserts, you get perfect shapes with easy cleanup and zero frustration after baking. Mini bag sealer. Open snacks go stale fast. This rechargeable mini bag sealer heat seals chips, cereal, and plastic bags in seconds. Slide it across the edge and lock freshness inside. It even includes a cutter for clean openings. Portable and simple, it keeps food crisp longer without bulky clips. Once you use it, throwing half-eaten snacks away feels unnecessary. Ice cream maker. Store-bought ice cream gets boring fast. This compact electric ice cream maker lets you create gelato, sorbet, and milkshakes at home in minutes. It's sized for 2 to 3 servings, perfect for families or date nights. Add ingredients, press start, and enjoy fresh dessert without preservatives. It turns your kitchen into a personal ice cream shop.